Hi, friends. So, nowadays, everyone is talking about the prompter theory. The idea that our choices might be pre coded like AI prompts. But here's the thing, this is nothing new at all. The Eastern and the Islamic philosophies have wrestled with free will and divine decree for millennia now. The fact that it's going viral nowadays shows that while the West may be at its technological peak, it's still in a spiritual dark age, especially in the context that is trying to make sense of this concept through a technological standpoint. The silver lining, though, they're finally asking the right questions. The questions that lead beyond code, that lead beyond neurosciences, into the soul. Maybe, just maybe, this is the beginning of a spiritual awakening. A Western renaissance, not of tech, but of truth. This is Aslan Shafkat, your thinking companion, signing off with today's thought. Thank you very much for watching.